Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Q&A session 11 from the playlist of JEE Advanced Physics Part 1. The topic is the measurement of cylinder diameter using a vernier caliper. And based on this topic, I have selected one question which was asked in the JEE Advanced Examination in the year 2013. So the question here is, a cylinder diameter is to be measured by a vernier caliper. The zero of the vernier scale lies between 5.10 centimeter and 5.15 centimeter of the main scale. Vernier scale has 50 divisions equal to 2.45 centimeter, and the 24th division of the vernier scale coincides with one of the main scale divisions. So the diameter of the cylinder is, तो यहाँ पे चार ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं and हमें यहाँ पे we have to find the correct option. So in this question, first of all, the vernier caliper has no zero error. It is already mentioned in this question. And in this question, we have to find the diameter of the cylinder. So, यहाँ पर हम लोग दो formulas का use करेंगे. The first one is that the measured dimension using a vernier caliper is equal to the main scale reading plus the coinciding vernier scale reading multiplied by the least count of the instrument. And the least count of the vernier caliper is also equal to the value of one main scale division minus the value of one vernier scale division. So, यहाँ पर क्या है कि the zero of the vernier scale is lying between 5.10 centimeter and 5.15 centimeter. तो इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि मेन स्केल वन मेन स्केल जो डिवीजन की वैल्यू है वो कितनी हो जाएगी, दैट इज वन मेन स्केल डिवीजन की जो वैल्यू है दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 5.15 माइनस 5.10 सेंटीमीटर. So this is equal to 0.05 centimeter. Now, the zero of the vernier scale is lying between 5.10 centimeter and 5.15 centimeter of the main scale while measuring the diameter of the cylinder. So, in this question, this main scale reading for measuring the cylinder diameter will be equal to the smaller of these two values. तो यहाँ पे 5.10 जो है वो मेरा मेन स्केल रीडिंग हो गया, मेन स्केल डिवीजन की भी वैल्यू आ गई. अब हमें खाली लीस्ट काउंट निकालना है बिकॉज द कोइंसाइडिंग वर्नियर स्केल रीडिंग इज इक्वल बी इक्वल टू 24. वो ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में दिया है. नाउ द लीस्ट पॉइंट हैज टू बी, सो यहाँ पे मैं लिख लेता हूँ मेन स्केल रीडिंग इज इक्वल टू 5.10 सेंटीमीटर and one main scale division. This is equal to 0.05 centimeter. Now we have to find the least count of this instrument. So the value of one vernier scale division has to be calculated. तो यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है कि vernier scale has got 50 divisions which is equal to 2.45 centimeter. तो one vernier scale division will be equal to 2.45 divided by 50, and this is equal to 2.45 divided by 50. This is 2.45 divided by 50. So this is equal to 0.049 centimeter. So the value of one vernier scale division is equal to 0.049 centimeter. Now, least count of this instrument will be equal to one main scale division is equal to 0.05 minus 0.049 centimeter. So this will be equal to 0.05 minus 0.049 centimeter, which is equal to 0.001 centimeter. So the least count is also has been calculated, which is equal to 0.001 centimeter. So finally, the value of or you can say the diameter of the cylinder will be equal to main scale reading is equal to 5.10 plus the coinciding vernier scale reading is equal to 24 into the least count is equal to 0.001, and this will be in centimeters. So the value, diameter of the cylinder will be equal to 24 into 5.10 plus 0.024, and this is equal to 5.124 centimeter. So the diameter of the cylinder will be equal to 5.124 centimeter. So the correct option here is B. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with a question which will be involving the concept of zero error. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.